Hello, and welcome to OmniX University. Today, we will be assembling a one-ball chain mandrel. We will begin with a pin. Place links onto the pin, alternating between full links and half links. The outer links on the pin should both be half links. Place the link and pin combination into the ball. Spray industrial lubricant onto the links sticking out of the ball. We will fill in the spaces between the links with full links. While placing the full links, secure them in place with another pin. We will now place half links in the spaces between the full links that we just added. Insert the entire structure into the shank. Place a pin into the hole in the shank to secure everything together. Now you will take your Loctite primer and spray the hole on both sides of the shank. Let the Loctite primer set for 5 minutes and then apply Loctite retaining compound. You can see here that it flexes both ways. You have now assembled a one-ball chain mandrel. Thank you for watching.